Okay, so now let's talk about for loop. A for loop in Python is used to iterate over a sequence, like a list, tuple, string, or other iterable objects. In our script, I will introduce something new, which is a list. A list can contain many elements. Let's see an example. I'm going to create a new Python file for loop. Okay, and in the first line, I will define a list which will contain 3 elements. Fruits equals apple, banana, cherry. Okay, and in the next line, I will prepare a for loop which will print all elements in our list. For fruit in fruits, print current fruit and fruit. Okay, let's run our code. Okay, and in this code, the for loop will iterate over each element in the fruits list and print all elements.